Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix Google Drive files that are grayed out. If you're unable to click, open, or access certain files, we will walk you through the possible causes and simple solutions. Let's get started. On your Google Drive dashboard, if you have a grayed out file, for example, this one is grayed out, all you need to do first is right-click the file. Then go to Share and click Share. Sometimes the cause of the grayed out file is your access level. Sometimes it is restricted, or you are not added in the shared column. To fix that, simply click anyone with the link. Once you are done, just click Done. If it is still grayed out, go to your Shared with Me section. You can find it on the left part of your page. Here, you can contact the owner. You can email them to request that they do what you have done, to fix the share settings and fix the general access of your files so you can add or access the file. Once this is done, the issue should be fixed. Your Google Drive files should now be accessible and working properly. With these troubleshooting steps, you can quickly resolve the issue and get back to your work.